What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and today we got something very interesting in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen today. We have a NuWave Mosaic Precision Induction Wok. So this is like a induction burner that has a carbon steel wok on it. It allows you to move it around, slide it around, flip on it, all that fun stuff. And it gets nice and hot for a wok. I'm interested in trying this baby out. So today we're going to do our unboxing and do a first look at this and see what this has to offer. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, so I've been seeing this for quite some time. I've been seeing people use these, and they look really interesting to me because I do like my induction burners. But the problem is when you put one on a wok on one of those things, it may not heat as well as, you really need a wok to do. This is interesting because the whole base of it is like shaped, contoured for the wok. So it's going to give you the maximum heat in it. They give you a QR code. You can live chat with them. So we're all familiar with NuWave, right? They have that cooker with the bulb in it. I used to have one of those. Those things are pretty cool. So here's a recipe book. Stir-fried beef and broccoli, fried rice, kung pao chicken, and here is your manual. And here is something. I have no idea. It's like a little stand. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Make sure there's nothing underneath. Nope. Okay. Wow. This thing looks pretty cool. So this is a little draining rack. So if you're frying something, this goes on the edge of the wok and you can put things up on there to drain. The wok has a big old lid. A lot of times when you buy like carbon steel woks, you don't really get a lid. Whoa. Here's our wok. Wow! Well, this thing is cool. So this is a carbon steel wok, and we're going to talk about how you treat these to get the best results. And here is our base. Wow, this thing is kind of cool. Here is the NuWave, and what's interesting about this is all a digital display on here. And it has different watts. You can preheat it. This is pretty cool. So your wok goes on here. So you have right at your disposal here, you have this whoosh, right? This is pretty cool looking.
It's a pretty big wok. Was that like a 14-incher maybe?
Yeah, it's a 14-inch wok. And it's kind of interesting. I heard some people worry because this seems like it contours to the wok and you're like, is this going to get scratched up? And apparently it doesn't because it really actually rests on this ring here. Whoa! Let me plug this thing in. Okay, so we're going to try out the menu here. I had to change the microphone because induction tends to
Sennheiser doesn't like it.
Yeah, it gives static in my mic, so I had to put on a wired mic. So here is our wok. This little doohickey is a little doohickey. Ooh, I like that, huh? Ooh. So we got our wok in here. So if you just want to go a fast start, just click on Start. And it's going to give you a 375 temp. You can change that temp with this button right here. So that's just a quick on. You can preheat the wok here. You can set the temperature you want it to preheat up to, and you hit start. You can cook in stages. So if you want it hotter at the beginning or not as hot at the beginning, you can set up a stage. Stage 1, I want to start us out a little lower. I'm going to go 360. Stage 2, I'm going to crank the heat to 425. Stage 3, I want to drop me down to a low simmer.
I'm thinking our twice fried French fries.
So we have that. You can also change the number of watts here. 600, 900, and 1500. So you can hear the fan, right? That's all inductions has that fan. This transfers the heat directly to the wok. So when you lift this, the cooker's going to go cattywampus because it doesn't feel like there's a wok on here. This doesn't really get too warm, though I wouldn't touch it because the wok is hot.
It'll likely get warm because the metal is warm.
So it's like any induction, because it's transferring that heat to the pan, when you lift it up, it doesn't know what to do.
Well, you can see what it's doing. It's flashing the F at you, Boo-Boo.
Yeah. Right? I'm ready to stir fry. But there is a process we have to do before we can cook with this wok. We gotta season this baby.
Oh no!
So this is carbon steel. It is unseasoned, like if you get a cast iron pan, you have to season the thing. This isn't nonstick, it's carbon steel. What the seasoning does, it puts a light coating of oil that dries out and gives you that layer that eventually it will start to become nonstick or more nonstick the more it's seasoned.
Vocabulary word, patina.
Patina, right? Woo! So that's what we're going to do. Hold your horses. So I'll put links down in the description. Thanks, NuWave. We're looking forward to trying this baby out. Our next step is to season this wok. Then we can start our stir frying. Join us on the next upload. We're going to do that. I'm going to show you how to season a carbon steel wok. Links are in the description. Thanks for joining me.